40 easy way to make money quickly. There are more ways to make extra money than every before, both online and offline. That great, but knowing where to invest your time can be trick. Use this list and discover new idea to make money online and from home. Earn cash from working, racing, reviewing music and searching the web. Top way to make money online and offline. These are the best way to start making extra money today. No risks, messing between. Hands down the quickest way to make a lot of more money from home. Lot of students have genuinely made from the technique. It's completely legal, risk-free, tax-free, and anyone over 18 in the UK. Online paid survey. A popular way for people to make money online is to fill out online survey in their spare time. Research companies are always recruiting new members worldwide to answer survey and test new product. For a few minutes of from filling, you can quickly make a couple of quick ways to pay it as cash or reward. You can back up to survey. Searching the web. Interest in how to make money fast by doing what you already do online. This has to be one of the easiest method of making money online. Boom.com reward you for searching on Google, Bing, Yahoo, Amazon, and eBay. Install a simple browser extension and result will show alone you normal search result. Online market trading. Investing in the stock market isn't necessary and easy way to make money, but it can be incredible if you learn to do it properly. By the same token, you may suffer significant loss if you don't take it seriously. Today, there no need to found the fancies of our well said. Start your own website. Interest in generating passive income. You need a website. It's the way to make money while you sleep. Starting a website with Bluehost take less than 12 20 minutes, cost hardly anything, and can be done by an 82 years old. It only takes a bit of plugging on social media to get your first visitor. Review website and apps. Your testing. Well, item and lie properly. That Dennis value secret. Get paid to site. Become a delivery ride or driver. Publish and kindly ebook. Affiliate marketing. Mobile phone reselling. Become a click worker. Claim the box. Back. Cashback when shopping. Part-time job. Gig on Fiverr. Review music for money. Sell course note. Sell second-hand textbook. Enter competition. Buy and sell domain name. Meister shopping. Be an extra. Sell your old game and movie. Profit from your education. Sell your photo. Return out our car. Taking space. Babysitting. Dog walking sitting. Make money whilst working. Charity fundraising. Rent out your horse for fling. Rent out your body. Financing. Sell your blog. Sell your stories and video. Create your YouTube. Create YouTube video. Watch video. So, according to recent study, we now watch more video on YouTube than searching on Google. And with the YouTube Partner Program, you can profit from making and find property for website, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency.